Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for almond chocolate chip biscotti. Wonderful to have with your hot mug of coffee. And it's turned out absolutely amazing. I made a batch. Let me show you what it looks like. So here I have it. Can you see these? The almonds in it, chocolate chips in it, turned out amazingly crispy and yummalicious. And here, now you have something new to have with your mug of coffee. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with this recipe. We begin with 3/4 of a cup of almond flour in a mixing bowl, 3 tablespoons of whey protein isolate, in that goes. Then we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a cup of chopped almonds. Take your almonds, chop them up and add them in. A handful of, I've used Stevia sweetened chocolate chips. If you don't have that, use dark chocolate. Now in another bowl, I have 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. To that, I'm adding a sweetened stevia drops. If you don't have stevia sweetened drops, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I'm also going to add later, but you can add maybe 1.5. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. Sorry, the video got chopped off. And now we'll give all this a good mix and bring it into a dough. Here I am adding the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can add maybe 2 because you've not added the flavored stevia. Okay, and of course, if you've not used the sweetened stevia drops, then use 1/4 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice. Now I've put it on a parchment paper and I'm bringing it into a nice rectangle, giving it a good thickness. You want your biscottis to be nice and crispy and have good thickness. So I would say almost 1/2 inch thickness, and use a little coconut flour as dusting if you find the dough a bit sticky to bring it into this shape. Now I'm cutting them into nice long strips because that's how biscottis look like. And we are going to bake this to begin with once for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now that's what they look like after baking for 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm cutting them through and through properly. Well, they are almost done. Now we just need a second bake over. So we are going to put this again into the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. So altogether about 30 to 35 minutes of baking time. And here it is. This is what they look like. Lovely chocolate chips showing through, lovely almonds showing through. And I do want to tell you, please, you will keep these overnight and they will crisp up the next day. So thank you for watching.